Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money from Amazon Music using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, it's important to know this: you don't earn money just by listening to music. You earn money on Amazon Music by uploading your own music and getting streams. First, you need to have your own song or album. It can be recorded professionally or at home as long as the sound quality is good. You can upload music directly to Amazon Music from your iPhone. Instead, you use a music distributor. Open Safari on the phone. Go to the distributor website, create an account and upload your music. When choosing stores, make sure Amazon Music is selected. After uploading, your distributor sends your song to Amazon Music. This can take a few days. Once your music is live, people can stream it on Amazon Music. Every time someone streams your song, you earn royalties. The more stream you get, the more money you earn. The money is collected by your distributor and paid to you through bank transfer, PayPal, or other payout options. Now download the Amazon Music for Artist app on your iPhone, sign in and claim your artist profile. Then this lets you track your streams, see your earnings, understand where your listeners are from. Share your Amazon Music link on Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook. More listener means more streams and more money. And that's it. That's how you earn money from Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.